everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you another fidget toy, and this was sent to me from Stimology, which is a store that sells lots of amazing fidget and sensory toys. Stimology were also kind enough to let me do a giveaway, which means one lucky subscriber will win this fidget toy. So for a chance to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave a comment below. This rainbow puzzle ball is a fidget toy and a brain teaser. It has 12 holes and 11 colourful balls inside, and these balls can be passed from one hole to another. The aim is to move the scrambled balls around until all the balls and the holes match by colour. It's similar to a Rubik's Cube but much easier, so anyone is able to solve it. It also has a very satisfying clicking sound when the balls are pushed from one hole to the other. It's a great way to pass the time when you're bored, and once you've got the hang of it, you can test yourself and see how quickly you can solve it. Once you have solved the puzzle, you can scramble the balls and start playing again. If you're interested in purchasing this fidget toy, I've left a link and discount code in the description box. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments what you think of this fidget toy, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!